Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is day 3 of the Costa Rica trip. Day 1's vlog is still not uploading because of Wi-Fi issues. I'm really mad. This day is just getting started. Let's go. We are going up to go get food, and then we are going to the national park, which is actually right there. So yeah, catch you there. Alrighty, we are going on a tour right now. We just got in the van with our guide. We're going through the jungle today. This place is really crowded, as you can tell. Oh, the cat. Yeah, there's a ton of people here. Matter of fact, there's too many. Check this out. Alrighty, so we're on this one trail. We made it halfway. Our tour guide's in the back. She's looking for a frog on the ground. It's like a rare venomous frog. She's searching super hard for it. Anyways, right now we are making our way towards the waterfall. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but yeah. This is endless. I gotta be careful. I've almost slipped and died about 4 times already in Costa Rica. These things are super slippery. A lot of algae. See that right there, people? See, that is a microscopic grasshopper with multicolors. It's right there. It's super tiny. Let's take another look. Watch out.
Rainbow grasshoppers, green and gold Solano grasshoppers.
See, there it is. Another view of it, if you can see it up there, we can tell it's a male for this reason. Where is he? Haha! That's how you tell it's a male. We are currently sloth hunting. Trying to find one. There's a report to be one around here, and it can't move too far because they're slow. So yes, there's a sloth way up in that tree, caused a lot of commotion. Alright, we are currently making our way down to the beach. I'm gonna jump in because I'm hot as shit. Alright, we hit the monkey jackpot. Alrighty, so we just had lunch at this little restaurant. They provided with us some food. Well, we got a little food provided. Alright, it was a snack. Okay, fine. At this place. Now we're heading back. Thank God, I'm gonna go in the pool.
Remember this head, wash your head.
I'm taking this little bench. Alrighty, anyways guys, we are back in the room, as you can tell in the background. I'm on the balcony. This place is absolutely beautiful. I can't get over it. It's incredible. We're gonna go to the pool. I'm not bringing the camera because I don't feel like that. Invasion of privacy of people at the pool. But cue the drone clips from right now.